You are capable of achieving anything. Paint a masterpiece in under a minute, learn every language in under an hour, build a multi-billion-dollar corporation overnight, and dominate the planet by tomorrow. So, what's keeping you from achieving your goals? Why aren't you following your dreams? You didn't get enough Mozart as a kid, didn't get enough vegetables as a kid. Is it possible that it's because you're not utilizing your brain to its maximum potential? Do you want to learn how you can help? This is another so what, and this is what your brain would look like if it were fully functional. To say the least, the brain is a complicated organ. We've been studying it for centuries, and we're constantly learning new things about it today. But take caution. The pursuit of truth can sometimes lead to the creation of fiction. To be smarter, you need a larger brain. False. The proportion of the brain to the rest of the body is more important than IQ. Here's an illustration of your brain next to a whale's. Who do you think is smarter? Whose body is in need of extra processing power? Because your body is smaller, your brain is smaller than that of a whale. Your brain, on the other hand, is designed to help you live and succeed. But despite this, did you know that people only utilize 10% of their brains? Let's give it our all. We've seen what truly brilliant people can accomplish. They inspire us through art, music, and literature. They alter the chances in sports. They devise technologies to make our lives easier, and they aid in the organization of society as a whole, making us all more powerful for better or ill. You're boundless if you have complete access to your brain's potential. So, what exactly do you do? First and foremost, you get to solve the Rubik's Cube that has been gathering dust on your shelf. Challenge your brightest buddy to a game of chess. In 2 moves, checkmate has been achieved. Relish. When you've had your fill of being a smarty pants, you'll be seeking for something else to do. Because being smart implies being less aroused by the things that make us simpletons happy. So, what's your passion? Art, science, technology. You don't have to select when your options are endless. Limitless. What happens to your body when you devote all of your mental energy to a new invention, a treatment, or a patent? Your heart is beating, your lungs are breathing, your food is digesting, and your blood is circulating. That's all there is to your mind. You couldn't use it even if you had access to 100% of your brain's capacity. You'd be constrained by your body's survival requirements. Would you think that humans only employ 10% of their brains? We said, do you think you believed it? The 10% figure is a fiction, and it is most likely the result of a mix-up. The brain is made up of 10% neurons and 90% glial cells. Diverse types of neurons perform different jobs, but in general, neurons enable you to process and send information, whereas glial cells surround and protect your neurons. And guess what? The design of all human brains is the same. Your brain contains the same number of neurons as Albert Einstein's. So, what can you do to improve your intelligence? Treat your brain as if it were a muscle. Exercise it, try new things, take on challenges, and get adequate sleep. Maintaining healthy behaviors is the sensible thing to do. It's also a no-brainer.